is falling on my window tonight. Streetlights fading in a silver light. Every drop keeps calling out your name. Nothing here's ever been the same. Your old jacket still hangs by the door, like you're walking here just like before. I close my eyes and I can feel your touch. God, I miss you way too much. Every storm just pulls me back to you. Every tear feels like the morning dew. And I know the rain will bring you back to me. Through the dark, you're the only light I see. Every memory falls like drops from the sky. I still feel you here even though you said goodbye. And I wait, no matter how long it takes, through the pain and every heartbreak. 'Cause my heart still believes somehow that the rain will bring you back right now. Midnight echoes of your voice remain, soft like whispers in the pouring rain. Every road still leads me back to us. In this love I still trust. Time goes on but it don't heal the ache. Every dream is a chance I take. And I know the rain will bring you back to me. Through the dark, you're the only light I see. Every memory falls like drops from the sky. I still feel you here even though you say goodbye. And I wait, no matter how long it takes, through the pain and every heartbreak. 'Cause my heart still believes somehow that the rain will bring you back right now. If you're somewhere under the same gray sky, do you feel this love that won't say goodbye? Every storm is just a sign I see. You're finding your way back to me. Yes, I know the rain will bring you back to me, like a song drifting through eternity. Every drop is a piece of you I find still